A little
You
scary.
ready?
A little exciting.
Okay. Pull it
My
up,
first
ha?
manual.
Up.
Tooth pulling
Pull it
journey.
up. Okay. And then strong up. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Eyes, are you ready? Okay, pull it up. Strong pull. 1, 2, 3. Ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3, pull. Like that, like this. Like that. Pull. But it didn't go. Make her vlog, okay?
Okay.
Okay, you talk na.
Oh.
You talk to them now.
Hi guys. Tata and me are gonna do something special.
Hi. Oh, Tata is ugly. Okay.
They are gonna pull my teeth.
Okay, look up. So Tata will pull. Okay, are you ready? Put it more far away. Like this. Okay, are you ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh! Oh, it's bleeding! So it means we go to the 7-Eleven. Don't move. That's okay. We go like this. Oh. No, it's not ouchie, baby. It's not ouchie. I assure you, it's not ouchie. Are you okay? Okay. Okay, close mouth. Now, one more. Why you remove? No,
You bite it. No, you bite it.
Don't do like that. Okay. You count. 1.
You count down.
Let me get. I'm just
Ikaw
gonna,
na lang bumunot. Tignan mo, makukuha mo na yan.
this one.
This one. Huh? I told you it's coming! Oh, you can put under your pillow